What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Gala. We're still pushing up here. We're sitting at 0.02429, up 4% on the day. Market cap 786 million, 24-hour volume 105 million. So if we look on the daily, we're starting to get a nice push. We do have resistance coming up here at about 0.0258 that we talked about yesterday. But we are starting to print that bullish cross just one more day, and that will confirm the bullish cross on the daily, which is a massive sign of strength. And if we look here on the 4-hour chart, it looks like we're just pushing straight up in the wave 5. I thought we may go A, B, C and then push up, but due to the size of this impulse here, it's more likely that this was your wave A up, this was a wave B pullback, and now you're pushing up in that final wave C. So if we do push a little bit higher, that resistance around 0.025, 0.026 will be to the one to watch. If we were to start to see a large pullback from here, it means that this impulse is finished and this leading diagonal is complete. We pull back in a wave 2, and then we see continuation back to the upside. So your major resistance to watch is around that 0.025, 0.026 area for Gala games. And of course, we do have the inverse head and shoulders target, which is all the way up at 0.0294. So beautiful to see the bullish cross about to print on the daily chart, and we'll see if we get rejected by this resistance or we pull back before then for our friend Gala Games. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Make sure to join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.